Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Didier Leroy, President of Toyota Motor Europe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Toyota. 1 year ago, everyone was talking about quality and what action Toyota was taking. I won't go through the range of quality improvements and advanced processes we have put in place. I rather focus on the result and what customers are saying today about Toyota quality. Lexus owner told Automotor und Sport they are the most satisfied driver in Germany, scoring the brand #1 for reliability in January 2011. Or TÜV, Germany's leading association of technical inspection agencies, who assessed more than 7 million cars last year and made Toyota the clear market leader for quality in their 2011 report, with 17 of our models in their respective categories top 10. This report also showed that Prius, for example, has 2.5 times fewer defects than the industry average, and this made Prius the most reliable car over 2 to 3 year old categories. As you can see with Prius and across our product range, we are matching product quality with continuous leadership in innovation, and hybrid technology is one of our key innovations. We have dedicated this stand here in Geneva to our range of full hybrid car to showcase our market leadership, which is built on 14 years of experience and 3 million hybrid sales. Our competitors start their hybrid journeys. We are surrounded by Toyota vehicles like Prius and Auris HSD that people can buy right now. These are not prototypes, projects, or promises. This is the reality of today's lineup, and cars people will be driving in the very near future. Hybrid has now achieved higher level of understanding and acceptance, which opened the door to the mass market. 2 years ago, 8% of the European customers said they want their next car to be a hybrid. Today, that figure has doubled to 16%. As the public enthusiasm for hybrid expands, Toyota's reputation for hybrid excellence keeps growing too. For example, Auris HSD has just been called the most advanced car available on the global market, winning the high values ADAC Yellow Angel Awards. No wonder we have already sold 27,000 units of this impressive new car in the last 9 months. Potential buyers already know hybrid means very low consumption and CO2 emission. By selling 3 million hybrids, we have saved the planet more than 18 million tons of CO2 emission and 7 billion liters of gasoline. Customers appreciate that Toyota hybrids can operate as pure electric cars at low speed in the city, producing 0 NOx and particulate matters, strongly contributing to preserving air quality and human health in urban areas. Customers are also finding that hybrids lead to a low cost of ownership supported by low running costs. Maintenance costs for Prius and Auris hybrid are 25% lower than conventional cars. Thanks to our advanced hybrid technology, Toyota is the only company which can lead on low running costs and clean air quality across all kinds of emissions. That makes hybrid a truly appealing alternative to petrol and diesel. In fact, a Toyota study shows that hybrid benefit from a lower cost of ownership than diesel, for anyone who drives less than 25,000 kilometers a year, or even more if you do a lot of city driving. Alongside these rational considerations, drivers have realized that hybrid can also appeal to the emotions. When Oris HSD customers list what they like most about their new car, 70% of them talk about relaxation, the engaging driving feeling, and the enjoying of a completely new way of driving. They have realized that the benefits of environmental responsibility and low running costs come with no compromise on driving pleasure. So, you won't be surprised that we are extending our HSD expertise and range. This includes expanding the Prius family. In Detroit, we unveiled a 5-seater Prius V with nickel metal batteries. Now, we have gone a step further. Today, this is the world premiere of the Prius Plus, Europe's first full hybrid 7-seaters. On sale in mid-2012, the Prius Plus is equipped with a compact lithium-ion batteries and uses 10% less fuel than the second best 7-seat MPV. The Prius family will also be boosted in 2012 by the arrival of the Prius plug-in hybrid. Trial on European roads has surpassed driver expectations, unsurprisingly. Since this car can drive more than 100 kilometers with 2.6 liters of fuel, generating less than 60 grams of CO2. By combining pure electric powers with hybrid synergy drive, this new arrival can travel 20 kilometers on electricity mode silently and without no emission. The vast majority of tested drivers has found the plug-in technology easy to use, with no worries about driving range, leading to a real total peace of mind. We are equally excited by the car behind me. Under the covers is our latest full hybrid development, designed to build on Oris HSD's success, but in a much more compact package, taking the smooth, sophisticated hybrid driving experience into the B segment. We have reduced battery weight and size to create a stunning new arrival, combining dynamism with efficient packaging and advanced technologies. In just a moment, we will reveal this extension to the hybrid lineup, the Yaris HSD concept. This car will be made in the second half of next year in our Valenciennes plant in the north of France, underlining Toyota's clear commitments to Europe. But first, I want to focus on the value that returns to Toyota in the recent months. The passion. Passion is back in everything we are doing, in every new product we are developing. And I can assure you that we remain 100% committed to the superior quality of our products. You can feel this passion in the only non-hybrid we've got on this stand, our FT86-2 concept car. This is an evolution of the concept we have shown in Geneva last year, and this car is closer to the final car we will launch next year as part of a new wave of Toyota products. Alongside this passion for cars and quality comes growing confidence in the future. We will continue our leadership in hybrid, in innovation and in quality, putting us at the forefront of the industry's return to successful growth. In Paris, I said we were aiming for 800,000 sales in 2010, and we achieved that. Now our goal is to grow by 10% in 2011. We are confident we will return to 1 million plus sales figures in the near future. Ladies and gentlemen, I can really tell you, we have the quality, we have the innovative products, and we have the passion. But now, before you go, I have one more additional special moment to share with you, a world premiere. We are delighted to have with us today Mr. Uchi Yamada, the Executive Vice President of Toyota Motor Corporation, responsible for all of Toyota's global technology. So please join us as Mr. Uchi Yamada and myself will reveal our car, which will help shape Toyota's futures in Europe, and why not, the shape of the market itself.
Ladies and gentlemen, the world premiere of the Yaris HSD concept.